In this video, I will demonstrate how to navigate your way around the Paddocks tab and view the data for your listed paddocks. Go to the Paddocks tab, select the farm and paddocks you want to work with by using the filters located just above the paddocks. Use these filters to narrow down the paddocks you are wanting to see. You can arrange them using the button at the right. Add new activities by clicking the light blue button on the top. Check out our tutorial guide about adding some common activities. Select the growing season you may want to see by clicking the button at the top left of the right hand side of the screen. This one looks like a calendar. Your paddock activities will be automatically arranged into growing windows based on the activities entered. These are generally from one grain harvest to the next grain harvest. Growing windows can be changed or modified by clicking on the End Growing window in each of the paddock operations. You can filter the activities to display in the paddock diary by clicking the folder icon. Arrange your activities by date or alphabetically. By default, these activities will be listed based on the date with the most recent activity at the top of the list. You can view ordered NDVI imagery using the PA Hub page or view the paddock diary using the calendar view here. Click the View Details button to the left of New Activity to toggle the type of view you are wanting to see for your paddock activities. This is designed to provide different level of detail, especially when you have lots of details in your lists. You can generate a vendor declaration for the selected paddock once you have selected a specific growing window. This will produce a generic template in spreadsheet form that provides a range of information including spray inputs used on crops, timing and rates of applications, for example. These are often handy to give to buyers of grain, for example, who are wanting to see the details of what inputs have been applied to the paddocks during the season. To view additional details of the activity, click the More button. For different activities, these details will be slightly different. Observation images and NDVI images are visible by clicking More, whereas most other paddock activities will show details of inputs applied, for example. You can also share, edit, or delete activities by clicking the icons located just below each activity. Please watch our tutorial on how to share an operation with a third party.